Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. This is Jimmy Wu from Prowork Pacific Inc, your licensed architect. So today, before we start our topic, we do the same thing. Please give us a like, leave us a comment, and also please you may subscribe us, hit the bell and select all, then you will not miss our other videos. Today, let's start a topic. It's an interesting one. I have owner asking me, Jimmy, can I, buy my own material and then, my contractor install for me? So this is one type of project delivery I want to discuss about it. This is called O.F.C.I. Okay, O.F.C.I. is owner furnished, contractor installed. Now, which is something that they do have this type of delivery, means contract. How do you negotiate your contract with your contractor? That happened, owner furnished, contractor install. So sure, then you have another size called contractor furnished, contractor install. So what does it mean? Okay, owner furnished, contractor install means, the owner to provide the material, like whatever, like windows, doors, floor, tile, cabinet, whatever material about the project. Okay, and then contractor, charge owner to install. Okay, so that is called owner furnished, contractor install. And then versus the other side is contractor furnished, contractor mean contractor to order, from order to deliver, deliver everything to the job site to put it together is handled by the contractor. Versus O.F.C.I. is owner, you have to order by yourself, right? You provide it, and also bring it to the job site, right? Then your contractor install for you. Okay, so what is different? Is a good way to do? What is the benefit of doing that? Okay, now definitely, I think the major benefit from doing O.F.C.I. is cost. A lot of owners, they think, if I order my own, right, then I can save some money. Okay, because the drawback about contractor furniture, CFCI, is because owner, when they order for you, they usually charge premium. They mark up, on what they order. So owner one thing about, should I, if I order myself, then I can save money. So which is true. That is the benefit side for O.F.C.I. Owner save money, and also owner, you can choose the material or products per your own preference. That means some brand name that you really want, you like, and sometimes in contractor they cannot find this material, or you find it somewhere they cannot, or they don't know. It's an unusual product, like some like floor tile or some special cabinet. Now that happens. So owner O.F.C.I. that give you this benefit. So owner can save money from contractor markup, and also owner can choose whatever your products you're on by your preference. Then the other side versus is CFCI is owner all the material, but good thing is then owner is a worry free, because everything contractor take care. So, and also they also take the liability, all this responsibility or risk from taken by the contractor. So the next step, which is the drawback, then what is not good about this O.F.C.I. Now O.F.C.I. as I said, because owner, you responsible to order material, right, and deliver, how to shipping, everything, and then even to the job site. Now, for example, some owner, they like to order material from China. Right? I know some manufacturer from China. I want to order from them. Now, if you do that, owner, you have to organize, manage from order, shipping, and then when the shipping come to Hawaii, right, you got to go custom, and then arrange delivery from the pier to the job site, and then you're gonna arrange with your contractor to set up a time, when they come, when do they come to install the material, like whatever, windows, door, floor tile, all this, cabinet, right? So owner, you have to respond with that, and also that is a risk in between that, because in between the ordering, what if you order something wrong? In shipping, what about if there's a damage? during the shipping? Or what about delay? The schedule delay, if they have storm in the Pacific Ocean, they delay one, or even the delay in the custom. So now then, if you schedule with the contractor, say, okay, so and so, what day? Like, next week we gotta come to install. We gotta deliver the windows to the site. But what if they custom hold it back? Say, we find something is not something wrong on your cargo. We gotta hold it for inspection. Then now you gotta go back to tell the contractor, say, we cannot do that. We gotta delay. We gotta postpone. But now contractor will tell you, hey, Mr. So-and-so, Mr. Owner, I already scheduled all my worker to next week, Monday, we're on site waiting for you. And we for that, we change all the other job, in back, right? Delayed it, put it on the other day. And now you tell us don't come, we cannot. They have to, they already schedule, right? Now, so this you hit into a possibility of change order, because on contractor, if you schedule them to come into install and you cannot deliver your product to the site, contractor still can charge you for the labor, because they come in, just sit there for nothing, whole day, nothing to do. Okay, they still can charge you on that. Then that maybe become your, and also, let's say if your order be delayed, the whole shipment is delayed. Let's say delayed 2 months, 3 months. Then you gotta tell contractor, my shipping is not gonna be on time. China side say they got a delay for 2 or 3 months. Then contractor, Mr. Owner, I have another project gonna start next month. So now because of you, then I have to change my another job, or I gotta come back later on when in between when I'm doing the other job, when I have to reschedule to have my guys come in when your shipment come and and install for you. So that way it could be subject to change order to the owner. So all this is a risk that owner you will take. Okay, and also it's about the quality. Okay, the quality of the product. If those product come here is defected, okay, come to the site, defected, damaged, then who gonna do the return? Who gonna do the exchange? Owner, you have to do. Okay, and I have seen some cases. It could be it could be a disaster, because owner find the manufacturer and they find out when the material comes into Hawaii. A lot of defective product, and end up is they have to basically throw away the whole shipment and buy everything again in Hawaii, and also they're gonna pay extra to the contractor to let him to buy. Not he doesn't buy because he's getting enough headache on that. So end up he's spending double money. So it become a real big disaster, because also from contractor too, because hey, you're wasting my time. Your shipment come, but all of them cannot use. We gotta delay prolong the construction, so they gotta charge him change order for extra labor, and also now he gotta put more money to buy material local in here. So that is one big drawback about O.F.C.I. Okay, but so what is a bad O.F.C.I? Again, then come back. What is a bad thing about CFCI, Contractor Furnished? Then the only thing is contractor got to charge you the premium. That means they charge markup. If they order material for you, they do make profit on that. Okay, so but for owner, try to see that if you can handle, you gotta look at all this risk, if you can handle, and all this headache if you can handle. So now come to a point is, what kind of people or what kind of project or client can do O.F.C.I? Okay. Now, in my experience, usually I would see there's two type of people, two type of client. One is experienced developer, means they keep building house. Okay, they have many experience, so they know, what is when they order stuff, they know what they order, and they know how to order, and they also even know, maybe that is a different system when they order material from foreign country, because knowing that. You gotta know that is for foreign country, they use metric system. Hawaii, in America, we use, imperial, which is feet and inch. But, in other Asian countries, usually they use metric. So you have to know how to convert right? And also is the way of how do we label, how do we dimension our stuff. For example, when we, in Hawaii, in America, when we say the door size, we talk about the door itself, 3 feet by 7 feet, or 2 feet 6 by 6 feet 8. That is how we label our door. But in China, when they talk about door size, they include the frame. So if you tell them, I want a door 2 feet 6 by 6 feet 8, actually in China's side, they probably take your order is your door is 2 feet 2, and then plus each side is 2-inch frame, and then by 6 feet 6, and then plus 2-inch is a door frame. But and I see that happen because when I have even a contractor friend, and him is a contractor, when he orders stuff, they got it messed up, from China. All the door coming to Hawaii is smaller. So smaller than what we standard is. So, and again, he got to throw away all the doors and we buy it from local. So unless you're an experienced developer and you know all this difference between, in local convention versus, how the Asian side of vendor and manufacturer, how do they, label, how do they dimension stuff. Okay, otherwise, a regular, owner, you might miss all this. And again, when the products come, and then you find out, will be too late. So, and then for CFCI, you should, what is good then? Yes, definitely for ordinary homeowner. If you don't know anything about this industry, then you're good for, CFCI. And then for OFCI, besides experienced developer, then who else, will be, qualified or can do OFCI is insider, is an industry insider, means someone like me, architect. I have been doing this, industry for design. We know that, right? So we can handle that. Engineer. So whoever they inside the industry, then they can do it. And also, even they do it OFCI, but because we are insider in the industry, the contractor, they will help us. Because we have a business relationship a lot of time, right? So they're helping our architect, they're helping engineers. So even though we do not know some stuff, they will mention to us, okay, Jim, hey, do you remember do this, remember that? And even they will help us to for delivery from, let's say, from the pier to carry, deliver product to, to the job site, right? So those are different. There are two types of people. If you are just a ordinary homeowner, I would say you better go with CFCI. So today's video, we're gonna stop it here. If you have any question, comment, please welcome, leave us a comment or question. We will see your comment and we will answer you. And again, okay, give us a like, subscribe us. Well, we need more subscribers. We need more people to subscribe our video, and hopefully, and you can share with your friend, share to whoever your friends they are going to build a house and they want to know more about the building. Okay, thank you very much.